Hey ladies and gentlemen, I'm just showing off the gorgeous 1997 Road King, and I just finished up actually redoing the head gaskets on this thing. The front gasket blew out on me, and it was probably my bad. I probably didn't finish the torque sequence on it because the head bolts were pretty loose, definitely not to torque spec, and wasn't running well. So anyway, I got it back up in there, put some new head gaskets on it, and she is ready to go. I did fire it up earlier and it seems to be running fine. Just getting ready to drop it down off the lift here, but yeah, she is all back together. And by the way, the Harbor Freight lift does work fantastic for this bike, and it is absolutely a back saver, so I love it. Anyway, I put a few other things on here. You can watch my other videos. Switched it from a Magneti Morelli to a Mikuni knockoff carburetor, and it is running really well. You know, just been doing a few things here and there. So yeah, I'm ready to ride this thing. So anyway, thanks for watching my vids, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.